Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a headlight bulb on a Ford Taurus. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a new H13 headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Now, look at the top of your headlight assembly. You'll see two retaining pins that hold it in place. With your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry up and remove those two retaining pins. Once the pins are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but it will release from its clips. Finally, reach behind the assembly and disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Now that the assembly is free, twist the old H13 bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing and pull it out. When handling the new bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, then twist it clockwise until it clicks securely into place. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the entire assembly back into its original position, ensuring it seats properly. Reinsert the two retaining pins you removed earlier to secure it. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. This simple fix will have you seeing clearly again in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.